So today we're bringing to you guys the Mighty Max sand filter system. This is a 12-inch sand tank and a 1/2 horsepower motor and pump. And this filter system is ideal for the Intex pools. Intex pools are bringing to families a low-cost option to keep their family cool over the summertime. But as anyone who's ever owned one knows, their filter systems are generally underpowered for the volume of water. This is an easy setup to replace that existing filter system and give you unparalleled filtration on the Intex pools. This guy here operates very similar to your standard sand filter. We're able to continuously run the water through and simply backwash the filter whenever it gets dirty, as opposed to having to take apart a cartridge assembly, hose them off, and potentially have to replace multiple times throughout the summer. The 1/2 horsepower pump is able to drive much more water through the filtration system, meaning a quicker turnover for your pool, meaning easier options to balance chemicals, add chlorine, and clean up the pool after those summer pool parties. So the filtration system comes with your standard 3-prong 110 plug, so you're able to use it in any application. It also is going to come with all of the hosing and hose adapters that you would need to hook up to either 1.5" or 1.25" outlets. So like your standard sand filter, it's going to come with your built-in pressure gauge to monitor when you would need to be cleaning the filter, i.e. backwashing, as well as your plug on the bottom here. This filter is also ideal to be utilized with the Dr. Dryden's Activate, which we discussed in a previous video, allowing you a much finer filtration than your traditional sand, as well as a lifetime guarantee on the glass without having to replace it.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please rate, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, or click the bell notification to ensure that you're receiving our most updated content. And as always, thanks for watching.